Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog. I'm currently walking along, squinting my eyes because the sun is literally shining right on me. But today is summer in the city, day one. Well, it's day one for me. They had a day yesterday which I didn't go to, but today is the Saturday. What is that? Escape room.
Let's go escape room.
Oh my god.
Screw summer in the city, we're going to.
Yeah, as you can probably tell, I'm with Emma.
Shocker.
We've just got here. It's almost 12:30 because we didn't, I don't know, we didn't get here for when it first started, but we're just trying to find our way to the entrance.
We got a bit lost.
Yeah, we got a bit lost.
Lovely girl on the way in.
I did meet a lovely girl on the way in, so if that was you, nice to meet you.
I liked your outfit, you look like a little minion.
Yeah, she was so cute. So we made it upstairs into Summer in the City. We had a bit of an issue like finding lanyards and stuff, but we made it. And I also managed to lose my nail like 5 minutes in. Found it again though, stuck it back on, and this is the broken one. And we just come upstairs into the little like green room bit. And look at this. Look at this over here. Like, I need to go and get a picture with Pikachu and Eevee. I think that was Eevee. Pokemon fans, don't hate me if I got that wrong, but oh my god, how cute, how cute. Guys, is this not the cutest thing you've ever seen? I'm gonna cry. Oh my gosh. Wait, look at it. Pikachu! This is the best day of my life! Hey, it is you! Pikachu! I'm gonna hug it. But I'm gonna hug. Oh, he's so cute! Oh, for God's sake, it's both of them together. I'm gonna die. So guys, I've just finished my meet and greet with the Body Shop. It was so much fun. I'm just like out here on the little balcony bit. And yeah, I just wanted to say a massive thank you. If any of you guys bought me a gift, which is super unnecessary, but I just wanted to say a massive thank you. Also, somebody has given me a Krispy Kreme donut, which is actually the best thing in the whole world. Thank you so much. But yeah, it went really, really well. I'm now gonna try and find people because I seem to have lost all of my friends. But yeah, it was so much fun. So thank you guys if you came to the Body Shop. Also a big thank you to the Body Shop for letting me like host a meetup. It was really, really cool. So yeah, yay! Like, look at this, you guys. You see that Krispy Kreme in there? That's about to be demolished. Oh, the lighting's really good by here. We have just gone to get, yeah, that looks very nice. We have just gone to get some chicken from the place where you get food. Hi, nice to meet you. Guys, look at this. I don't know whose meetups are going on down here, but I can just see tons of people queuing. Who's that there?
Anastasia.
Yes.
Yeah, it is.
Oh, it's Anna. Love you, Anna. She got fans. Yeah, sorry guys, I was trying to tell you about my chicken. Me and Emma basically went to get some chicken and chips, and we ended up buying it, and then because I was trying to like eat it on the way out, we literally ran like through the main hall to get back here to eat it. But I've eaten it now. I'm feeling very full because I ate way too much. It was a very big portion, but
Operation Chicken.
At least I got some food. I'm now satisfied, but very full. I've kind of got a stomachache now, but at least I don't have a headache anymore, so that's good. If any of you guys have wondered what it looks like backstage at Summer in the City, this is the lovely corridor, and then we're about to walk out through this bit here. And we're now in the main entry hall. You're welcome. I just realised that I never actually showed you guys any of what Summer in the City is like on the inside. This is like the main room. There's loads going on. Like there's all these stands over here. Over there, they've got like a carousel and stuff, but I haven't had a chance to go on it. And then they've got like Louis' bus over there. There's a stage over here. I think there's also a stage in the other room, but yeah, there's so much going on that I haven't actually had a chance to go to any of it, but yeah, I'm heading off now. So it's about 5:30 and I've decided to head home because I think I ate my food too fast or something, or like ate too much food and didn't give it enough time to digest, because I've got a really, really bad stomachache and I don't really know what I've done. But if any of you like met me towards the end of today, I'm really sorry that I wasn't like super upbeat and like positive and stuff. It's because I was feeling really ill. I kind of felt like I was going to be sick, but obviously I wasn't going to like tell that to people. But I'm doing okay now. Like I think I'm just going to head back to the station and head home. And then I've actually got one of my friend's 21st birthdays tonight, so I'm going back home for that, and then I'm coming back tomorrow for round 2 of Summer in the City. And I've also got my meetup at like 4
PM I think it is on the Sunday, which is tomorrow, so yeah, that should be good. But so many of you came today and I met so many lovely people, so I just want to say, like, if you did meet me, then thank you so much. Oh, okay, that door's not open. I just tried to walk through a door which I thought was an automatic door, and it wasn't an automatic door. But I'm gonna put this away now.
Hey guys, so I'm back from Summer in the City day 1. I'm just like chilling for a bit, and then I'm gonna head off to my friend's 21st party. And then I'm back again tomorrow. I think like today I didn't really get to film that much of the actual like event and like meeting people and stuff like that, so I'm gonna try and do that tomorrow. I'll try and get some more footage of like meeting you guys and just like the general stuff that's going on at Summer in the City, because yeah, like today it was a bit all over the place. Like I kind of forgot to vlog some stuff, but I'm gonna tie this vlog like all in together, so you guys will see tomorrow. And yeah, I guess I will catch you again in the morning.
Good morning guys, please forgive how ugly I look right now. I've literally just got out of bed. I am alive, and I was gonna say alive and well, but I'm not feeling on best form. It's like 10:30, and I know that Summer in the City starts at like 11, I think. So yeah, obviously I'm gonna be late, but I thought I needed a lie-in. And I am just gonna eat my breakfast and get myself ready and then head over there. And my meetup today isn't till 4, which is quite good. But I think what I'm gonna do is just like head over to Summer in the City and then just walk around when I get there, and then I'll have my meetup at 4. So yeah. So I've just arrived at the XL. I'm just about to walk into Summer in the City now. I didn't get a chance to show you guys my outfit, but I'm wearing this like denim jacket, which is from H&M, and it's got like little matching shorts. So I really like my outfit today. I wore a different pair of lashes. These are the Huda Beauty. Oh my god, it's suddenly getting really noisy. These are the Huda Beauty, I think they're called Giselle lashes or something. They're number 16, I'm pretty sure. But I really like these ones actually. They're a lot more comfortable than the ones I wore yesterday, but I still like the ones from yesterday. And if I forgot to mention those, then I think those were the... Hi! Yeah, of course. I just bumped into some lovely viewers. But anyway, like I was saying, the ones I was wearing yesterday were the Unicorn Cosmetics Clementine lashes, and I really like those as well. Where the lighting suddenly just got so much better because I come into like the main hall a bit, but yeah, I'm gonna try and find myself inside, find my way in, find some friends, and enjoy my day. I've just come into another one of the entrances. I'm not really sure like what this room is. I swear I didn't even see this entire room yesterday. Oh my gosh, they've got Jamie's stand. She's incredible. But yeah, like there's so much going on. I didn't even come into this room yesterday. I'm really lost. Like I don't actually know where I am. But I mean, it looks pretty cool. Okay guys, I've just discovered this. Again, I didn't even see this yesterday. I saw it from a distance. They have this ride, which if I went on right now, I would literally be sick. Oh my god, but I really want to go on those. But still, I would probably be sick. But oh my god, how fun is this? Like, I need to find my friends and get on these rides. So we've just been wandering around for a bit. Well, I wandered around a little bit, and then I went up to the green room and I met up with Emma. Hello! 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 And yeah, we've just come to get some food. I got the chicken and chips, which is exact same as I got yesterday, which I ate too much of and then felt really ill. So I'm gonna try and not eat too much today, but it's really yummy. Look at this, guys. Such good food. Look at these legends down here. Oh, I'm so nervous. My meetup's in like a few minutes. I'm about to go downstairs. Ah, help me.
guys, so ignore the hair and the makeup. I just filmed a video which was like following my first ever makeup tutorial, so this isn't the makeup that I would normally do, but for some reason I feel like my skin looks really smooth. Maybe it's just on my viewfinder, I don't really know. But basically it's the day after Summer in the City today, and I just thought I would come on here to end the vlog because me being me didn't end it yesterday because I ended up getting lost. Basically I had my meetup and then it got to, so when I got there they told me that there was 200 people that were there for the meetup, like in the queue and stuff, and they had like a list of like how many people were at each person's meetup. So they said I had 200 and it was supposed to be from 4 till 6, and so I met loads of people. Like, oh my gosh, so many of you guys were so lovely. Well, all of you, everyone that I met was really lovely, and I just want to say like a massive thank you just to everyone for being so nice. And yeah, it was so fun, and also like those of you that gave me like drawings or gifts or anything like that, so grateful. Like, I do not expect you guys to get me gifts at all. I would much rather you spend your money on something for yourself, like treat yourself to something. But for those of you that did, like honestly I appreciate it so much. Somebody gave me like a nomination bracelet, which I absolutely love, and just like, it's just crazy. So yeah, thank you guys so much. But anyway, it got to about 5:15 and then the queue ended, so there was nobody there anymore, and the people at Summer in the City were like, yay, you're done, like well done, you got through everyone really quickly. So I kind of took that as in like, I don't know, I thought maybe they'd been like counting everyone and they'd like realized that it was everyone that was coming to the meetup, if that makes sense. And so I thought that I'd met everyone that was supposed to be coming. So I then left to go upstairs because I was going to go and find Emma, and then we were going to go home because we were both like really tired and we weren't going to stay for like the evening bit. And then I started getting tweets off people being like, I was supposed to be there for your meetup, I've just showed up and you've gone. And so then I felt really awful because I was like, oh my god, I didn't realize that, you know, there were more people that were there to meet me. I thought that the meetup was over and everyone had been. So then I went back downstairs to find one of the girls that was tweeting me, and she told me where she was, and then I went back down to meet her. And then I also met another guy who said he was supposed to meet me as well, but I didn't get to find everyone that like, you know, was supposed to be at my meetup, and I feel so awful. So I'm really sorry if you like had a wristband for my meetup and you didn't get to meet me. Like, that just makes me feel so bad, but I'm really sorry. Like, I haven't done one of these official Summer in the City meetup things before, so I didn't really know like how they work, and I just thought that everyone had been. So yeah, I'm really sorry about that. But basically after all of that happened, I then spoke to those two people, and then I went to go and find Emma. I went out the wrong exit of the building, got lost, ended up taking me like half an hour to find her, but then eventually we went home. So that was that. But honestly, it was such a good weekend, and yeah, I've already said thank you so many times, but yeah, just thank you guys so much if you did come over and say hi. Like, I had so much fun, and I really hope those of you that did come had loads of fun as well. And I think what I'm gonna do to end this vlog is just show you guys like the like letters and drawings and gifts and stuff that I got, just because I want to say an extra little thank you. So yeah, I'm gonna go get those now. Okay, so I got a couple of like gift bags, which, let me just get this one out of here. Oh my goodness, this lovely girl gave me a nomination bracelet, which is literally like the nicest thing in the whole world. I'm wearing it on my wrist here, it's the silver one. I always wanted one of these when I was like 12. I'm literally so incredibly grateful. Like, thank you so much. I think it might have actually been two girls that gave me this. I also got this really cute little butterfly from a girl called Mia, and I think like the message behind this is so sweet, so thank you so much for this as well. Another girl also, her mum knitted me a blanket, which I've got downstairs, which literally, like, what the heck, is the nicest thing in the whole world. And also, like, some of you guys are so incredibly talented. I got some drawings as well, which are insane, and just like a few letters and bits, which I won't show you like all of them because like some of them are quite personal, but like, thank you so much if you guys like gave me anything. I seriously don't expect it, but I appreciate it so much. And then this was some of the stuff that I got from my organised meetup on the Sunday. Some Haribos, which were really yummy. I opened them on the train. Chocolate orange, you guys know me so well. And then in this box, this lovely girl gave me this happiness diary, or no, the kindness diary. Wait, if I can get it out. So she gave me this, and then also lots of little mini pegs, and then she printed out some Instagram photos, which is so cute. Like, there's lots of different ones in here, some of just me, some edits from some of your guys' accounts, and some inspirational quotes, some of me and my friends. Like, it's just so nice, and like, I love this. I love that so much. So thank you so much, that is so thoughtful. And also as well, like the girls that gave me these, they're little like happy songs and like quotes, and it says open when you don't feel amazing, and it's just like to cheer you up, which I think is so cute. And then obviously like I got some more drawings and stuff and like letters, which is just so nice. So seriously guys, like whoever gave me any of these, thank you so much. Like you're just so lovely. Like how cute is this? How adorable is that? That's me late night editing. And like the fact that people would put like time and effort into actually making stuff like this. Okay, wait, that one's not a letter. This came in one of the like goodie bags to do with books, so ignore this one.